It's me, Brian Maples, with Colorado Springs Mudjacking and Complete Concrete Solutions. It's storm season here in Colorado Springs, and a lot of you are finding that your basements are flooding, that your window wells are getting filled up, and that you've got water problems. Perhaps you've noticed that water is running underneath your concrete, which will cause problems in the future. So, we correct these type of things. We do drainage inspections, and we find the most cost-efficient solution to your problem. We've got some different angles that we can come from, and because of our creative strategies, we usually find the most cost-efficient solution available. So, it's a free estimate, worth us coming out and checking out. There's never any pressure on you to buy something. We just try and help you protect your assets. As an experienced concrete raising professional here in Colorado Springs, as well as a complete concrete contractor, I've seen why concrete fails. The number one reason that concrete fails here in Colorado Springs is because of improper drainage. It's not that concrete washes away, it's that over time, water constantly runs underneath that concrete and it eventually creates a spot where it settles. Concrete doesn't need a whole lot of space before it cracks and bears down. Concrete cannot give at all. It cracks if it gives. Concrete's tensile strength, which is its bendable strength, I should say, is about 10% of its compressive strength. When you hear these numbers like concrete's 3,000 psi, 4,000 psi, or whatever, that's how much strength it can take on top of it. Like a 4,000 psi concrete is typically what we pour, and it's stronger and can compress, it can take more weight on it than 3,000 psi concrete. However, the concrete's tensile strength, or its bridgeability, is only about 400 pounds. If you get the 3,000 stuff, it's only about 300 pounds. There's a lot of people that weigh more than that. So keeping your concrete on level ground, on flat ground, is very important. I do recommend mudjacking unless your concrete's all broken to pieces, in which case we do offer you very competitive pricing on replacing that concrete. But if you've got great concrete, let's keep it that way and save you some real money by providing you good drainage. Whether you've already got existing concrete or you're looking at getting concrete, one of the things that we always do is we make sure that when we provide you with new concrete, proper drainage has been taken into consideration. As water runs off the edge of concrete, it seeps down into the soil. And the soils out here can expand up to 10 times their original size, which is going to have your concrete doing this. Granted, you can't see it with the naked eye, but you can see the results of it in lots of cracking and lots of problems like that. So what we do is we take concrete, we re-angle it to where water's going to stay on the concrete and be drained into a designated area so that your concrete has a better chance of lasting you decades and not just years.